Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you the daily Apple report for Wednesday, April 5th, 2023. Before I click on all the charts and walk you through the day, please click like and subscribe if you haven't already to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, and check out wickedstocks.com, where a $47 a month subscription will provide you daily analysis in the Triple Q and the SPY, two individual stock picks a week. On Tuesday, we put out a 10-minute video on Cigna, symbol CI. There's some opportunity there you may check out. Also, weekly analysis in the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the long bond ETF, the TLT. So check out wickedstocks.com. Anyway, in early January, we came off of targeted long-term support in the 120s, at the time mentioning how the 172.02 channel top would be in reach at some point in 23. About a month later, that was answered as a 3 to 5 month objective when we closed above the 137.47 channel top, 3 to 5 month target starting early February. And most recently, after topping out for the better part of a week, maybe a little bit more in the upper 150s, low 160s, which was anticipated, we closed above it about 4 or 5 trading days ago, then signaling the 170-178 channel top as a 2 to 3 week objective, which remains in effect above the 158.28 to 160.49 region, which you can see in the support and resistance. So that remains kind of the bigger picture and even the near-term outlook. For the day itself, I've got 168.24, this 1 month rising channel top, the beginning of a range of resistance up to 169.67, which is more of a 3-week channel top. This area, under other circumstances, I would gladly call 3-star resistance. But because it's so close to this 170-178 to 172.02 longer term objective, I just want to give the market breathing room. As we push, though, into the 170s, low 170s on both of these formations, 168.24, which will occur over the next week or so, and 169.67, of course, these areas will join the lower 170s as kind of a big picture resistance. This area, by the way, at 170, 178, if tested over the next week or two, can absorb buying into possibly through the third quarter, and we can fall off in a meaningful way from here, as we move into later year, and if settled above, would represent a significant long-term buy signal for Apple. We'll be all over that in terms of what the price targets will be. It would be at that time. Hi, if you enjoy watching our daily Apple report, you'll love our daily Triple Q and SPY reports. They're presented in the same 5 to 10 minute video format. Our daily SPY and Triple Q analysis provides directional market signals that are correlated with highly specific price support and resistance levels. Whether your trading time horizon is short or longer term, we promise you a distinctive edge in your trading of the SPY and Triple Q. We offer a 5-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. So go to wickedstocks.com right now and start receiving your daily SPY and daily Triple Q reports today. Let's take a look at the downside. I do have 164.26. I don't have that shown anywhere, but it remains an intraday support level that can contain intraday selling, and above which that 168.24 level in reach. 168.24 to 169.67 is your, if you've been a 3 to 5 day swing trader, we did have that buy signal 3 or 4 days ago above the 158.28 to 160.49 area. You can take profits at 168.24 to 169.67. I don't have a problem with that because it is so close to 170, 178 anyway. So holding above 164.26 will keep the 168.24 area in reach. Inversely, breaking or opening below 164.26 does indicate 162.14 intraday, which is not labeled, but it is this spike high that occurred a couple of weeks ago and held for over a week. 162.14 able to contain session weakness. Now, if we close today below 162.14, tomorrow we should retest this zone of longer term support. Now was resistance in the 158.28 to 160.49 region. Inside that, you'll notice I've got 159.11, which is this rising channel bottom over the last couple of weeks now. So there's a lot going on between 158.28 and 160.49 that still offers opportunity to buy the market in this area. If given the opportunity, we could test the upper 150s, low 160s, and once again, within 2 or 3 weeks of doing so, rally into the low 170s, that long-term objective we've had now for some time. Now, even if we were to close below 158.28, and that's not going to happen today, we've got just another 3 to 5 days actually before reaching this trend defining speed line at 153.08. This formation will also be pushing into the upper 150s over the next couple of weeks, and it can absorb selling on a monthly basis. And once tested, you guessed it, the low 170s in reach within possibly 3 to 5 weeks, a couple of months anyway of testing 153.08. Bottom line, unless we close below 153.08, or not until we close below 153.08, am I calling the trend exhausted and likely to fall with force into the 130s over the following month or two. But we're not there. I do think we're going to see the low 170s before we see the low 130s. That's not a stretch for me to say, of course. Is there anything else to say for the day? I think I've fleshed it out. Anything beyond that would be repetitious. So I would just ask you to rewind, perhaps. Please click like and subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. You won't regret it. And if you do, we give you your money back within 5 days. Just ask for a refund within 5 days of subscribing, and we will provide that, no questions asked. You have a great day. We'll be back tomorrow with the Apple Report.